Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Good time. A great compliment to all of you with a cluster of red roses. This is Muhammad Abdul Razzaq before you. It's been a great pleasure for me that I'm here today, and I'd like to assure you that I won't take much time. Well, my today's topic is the significance of student life in the light of Islam. My beloved brothers and sisters, seeking knowledge is not just a personal choice, but it's a moral and sacred duty. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim. To make this golden time of student life, there are some things we should do, and there are some things we should avoid. My beloved brothers and sisters, as students, we should purify our intention. We should study to seek the pleasure of Almighty Allah. We should benefit humanity, not only for fame and wealth. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should also respect our teachers because respect is the key to gaining true knowledge. Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu said that I'd be a servant to anyone who taught me even a single letter. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should also study hard with consistency. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should use our time wisely and we should stay away from laziness. My beloved brothers and sisters, as students, we should avoid arrogance. Knowledge should make us humble. So we should never look down on other. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should also avoid educational dishonesty. My beloved brothers and sisters, cheating in examination is forbidden in Islam. True success never comes from dishonest means. My beloved brothers and sisters, we should also avoid distraction. So we should avoid bad company, wasting time, and anything that distances us from moral and educational goals. Let us become among the students who excel not only in knowledge but also in good character and piety. That is all for shortening of time. Thanks for your patience hearing. If I made any mistake, please pardon me. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.